Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play split-screen Dragon Ball FighterZ. First, ensure you have two controllers connected to your console or PC. Once your controllers are ready, launch the game. From the main menu, you'll want to select the Local Battle option. This is your gateway to playing with a friend right beside you, ready for some intense two-player action. After entering Local Battle, both players will proceed to character selection. Each player gets to choose their favorite Dragon Ball characters to form a powerful team. You'll pick 3 fighters per player, creating a 6-character roster for the match. Take your time to build a balanced team, then confirm your selections to move forward. Now it's time to fine-tune your match. You can choose between Versus mode for a competitive fight or Training mode to practice together. You'll also have options to adjust match settings, such as the time limit for each round and the number of rounds needed to win. There are typically 3 rounds in a standard match. Confirm these settings to proceed to the battle. With all settings confirmed, the game will load your chosen stage, and the battle will begin. You and your friend will see your characters on screen, ready to unleash powerful combos and super moves. Enjoy the fast-paced, 2-player action. Whether you're practicing new techniques or competing for bragging rights, split screen offers a fantastic experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.